How to add the Chrome Dino Game widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, we're going to tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on the Customize button on the left-hand side, that is for the lock screen. Then tap on the widget panel, that is the one below the clock. Next, we go down, then tap on Chrome. Now in the Chrome window, swipe to the left, and then once you see it say Chrome Dino Game, tap on the Dino Game widget to add it to the widget panel. Then tap on the Close button, and then tap on the Close button again to close the Add Widgets window. Then tap on Done. After that, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, whenever you're bored or if you're waiting for an appointment, you can quickly launch the Dino game directly from the lock screen. So I can open it and then just put in my passcode. And here I'll be able to start playing the Dino game. So let's start. Let's just play a quick game. So, oops. So that's it. So whenever you're bored, you can just simply tap on the widget to quickly playing. So you have to search for it. You can quickly tap on the shortcut to start playing. It can be quite addictive once you start playing, and that will help you pass the time as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.